tired of living in an HOA with a small yard, no fence, bunch of rules, everybody paying attention to everything you're doing every day? Are you looking for a property with a little bit of acreage, privacy, your own trees and yard? I got the perfect place for you right here, 2790 66th Street. Let's go check it out. Is it wrong to say that this property has a world of possibilities? I don't think so. You're looking for the perfect home here in Naples to make your private getaway. This might be your spot. You want to check this place out? Give me a call at the right group, 239-719-0760. Hope to see you soon.